But this is outside the market. Can you imagine? You have your motorcycle or your scooter parked here. How are you going to get it out? This is just crazy. You can see the old guy there. He doesn't know what to do. Okay, he's stuck somewhere in the middle. This is just insane. You have your wheels in there. You'll never get out, guys. Here we go. Now I'm looking for the guy who is selling the fish. I might never ever be able to find him again. Because let me tell you, this market is humongous and it's a maze. And there's music blasting from all corners. Hopefully I can find them. Where could the fish guy be? Get some fried fish. I love these markets. I've probably told you that 100 times, but it is the truth. But the fish guy, well, that might be a mystery. Will I ever find him again? I have absolutely no idea where to go. I found a tortilla factory, but where is the fried fish guy? I do not know. I do not know where. Maybe I should ask somebody. Buenos días. Oye, ayer yo andaba por aquí donde vendían pescado frito, pero no lo encuentro.
Llega allá, en la esquina,
Ajá.
baja hacia la rampa,
Sí.
donde está la lechería de tacos y tortas. A la vuelta, ahí venden animales y ya empieza la pescadería.
Así está cerca donde están los animales.
Sí,
ok, así voy así y así.
Dobla a la izquierda. Pasa lo que es la lencería, allí
Ya.
cuando donde está la lencería,
Ajá.
entra. Porque está primero la pesa de animales.
Sí. Ok, bueno, gracias. All right, so let's give it a try. Because I have no idea. I just found it by accident yesterday. And I bought some of that fish. It was good. I want some more today with lime and tortillas. Gonna be a good brunch. So he says, okay. I found it already. I got my bearings back. I found it. I know where it is. I recognize this place now. I was so close. It's right past the pet stores, as he said. You go down the ramp, you go past these pet stores where I was yesterday, and then up ahead, somewhere up ahead here will be the fried fish place. Yeah, I am here. So next to the pet store is the fried fish area. Here we go, back to my favorite fish guy. Hola, ya regresé.
¿Sí?
¿Has pescado? Sí, estaba sabroso. Gracias. See here, you get a free sample, guys. Free sample of fish. Very good. Muy sabroso. ¿Qué de estos aquí?
Sí.
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
So here, buy. ¿A cómo el kilo me dice? ¿Ah?
Sí, 80.
Mm-hmm.
Sí. Una cabecita.
160 pesos for 1 kilo. Very good deal, guys.
¿Le gustó?
Sí, le gustó. Hoy voy a comprar un poco de limón y tortillas.
Tortilla.
Porque ayer solo lo comí así.
Sí.
So, let me pay, guys.
La DougP, pero no apareció.
¿Ah?
No apareció.
Oh, no, eso no va a salir ahorita.
pues va a salir,
Sí.
sí.
Va a salir, pero entre unas semanas posible.
Bueno.
Sí. Es que tengo muchos videos. Tengo de Villahermosa, tengo de Chiapas, de Campeche. Sí, tengo videos de Campeche, de Tabasco, de Chiapas y ahora estoy en Yucatán. Así. Estoy mezclándolos, un poquito de aquí, un poquito de allá. Pero va a salir, sigue viendo. Y sigue viendo, va a salir. Ahorita. Gracias. Got another sample here, guys. Pescaderia El Calamar. You come here. You could get the little pieces, the wings.
Son las alitas.
Oh yeah, all the wings. You could buy those. You could buy the whole fish.
Mojarra.
Or you could buy fillets like that. Really good. See the wing like that? Not the wing, the fin. You can just crunch it up. Yeah. The fin is gone. We make no plans. We just go with the flow. Coming to you from my favorite fried fish place in Merida, Yucatan. They're making tortillas. Coming fresh out of the machine. There they put the corn. The corn's been cooked already and prepared. And they put it in there and that will grind it and make masa. And the masa they put into the machine right there. And it comes out as a tortilla right there. With leftover old tortillas, they fry them and they use those for snacks. Masa 18 a kilo, tortilla 22 a kilo. So neat how that's done. And it smells really good when those tortillas are cooking in there. Ah, wow. I'm getting limes here for the fish. And I asked the guy to cut the limes open because that way we're in the hotel, we don't have a knife to cut the limes. So that's the way to do it. Perfect. ¿Cuánto va a ser? 5 pesos. So 5 pesos for the limes. I got 8 limes. And the guy cut them up for me. What a good deal. I spent 11 pesos for the tortillas, 160 for the fish, and 5 for the lime. So total will be, I have to calculate it. I'm trying to get money out of my pocket at the same time as vlogging. Gracias. So this is going to be good, guys. This is economic eating. Got my fish, got my tortillas, got my limes. Oh, and the guy gave me a bag of free pickled onions on top of it. So can't go wrong there, man. All right. My shopping trip for food has been a success. I hope you enjoyed it. You gotta learn how to save money when you're vlogging and traveling because we've been going for many months and it's not cheap. Hey there guys, so I got a kilo fish for 160 pesos. I got half a kilo of tortillas like this here for 11 pesos, and I got this bag of limes, 8 limes. They cut it up for me for 5 pesos. And what we do, we take the fish, put on tortilla, put on some onion, a little bit of hot sauce. We had some leftover hot sauce that we travel with, and we make fish tacos. So everything costs 176 pesos, which would be a little over $8 US. And we got lots of food. I don't even know if we'll be able to eat it all because that is a lot of fish. And that taco looks really good. So I'm gonna enjoy the food now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.